graduates of the Pledge of Loyalty. All please stand. Please raise your right hand and together say with me the Pledge of Loyalty. Pledge of Loyalty. We, the graduates of school year 2025-2026, do hereby pledge to carry out the educational goals set by the Department of Education and to do the best way we can for the welfare of all. We do pledge to give our loyalty to Pagata Elementary School, West 2 District, that provided us the basic skills for development and to do our full share in the coming years for the